Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss tips and tricks for personal and professional growth. In today's video, we're going to talk about the habits of the most successful people. We often look at successful people and think they are different from us and have some exceptional talent or gift that we don't possess. But the truth is, success is not just about skill or luck. It's about habits, discipline, and hard work. So let's dive into the habits of the most successful people and see how we can incorporate them into our own lives. Habit number 1. They set clear goals. Successful people always have a clear vision of what they want to achieve in life. They set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals and work towards achieving them. Setting clear goals helps them stay focused and motivated, and they can track their progress and celebrate their achievements along the way. When setting your own goals, it's essential to make them challenging yet realistic. Break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks and set deadlines for each of them. This will help you stay on track and make progress toward your goals. Number 2, they prioritize self-care. Successful people understand the importance of taking care of their physical and mental health. They prioritize exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough rest and sleep. They also take time for themselves to recharge and relax, whether it's through meditation, reading, or spending time with loved ones. It's important to remember that self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. By taking care of yourself, you'll have more energy and focus on tackling your goals and achieving success. Number 3, they learn continuously. Successful people are constantly learning and growing. They read books, attend conferences, and seek out mentors and coaches to help them improve their skills and knowledge. They also embrace failure and see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. They are not afraid to try new things and take risks. Learning doesn't just happen in a classroom or through formal education. It can also occur through practical experience, feedback from others, and self-reflection. Please make it a habit of learning something new every day, whether it's a new skill or a new perspective. Number 4, they practice discipline. Successful people have a strong sense of discipline. They set a schedule for themselves and stick to it, even when they don't feel like it. They also avoid distractions and focus on their goals, whether it's by turning off their phone, blocking social media sites, or setting aside time for deep work. Discipline can be challenging, especially when you're faced with competing priorities or distractions. But by setting clear boundaries and sticking to them, you'll be able to progress toward your goals and achieve success. Number 5, they surround themselves with like-minded people. Successful people understand the importance of their environment. They surround themselves with people who inspire and motivate them and share their values and goals. They also avoid toxic relationships and negative influences and seek out mentors and role models who can help them grow. The people you surround yourself with can significantly impact your mindset, attitude, and behavior. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who will encourage and challenge you to achieve your goals. Number 6, they practice gratitude. Successful people practice gratitude and focus on the positive things in their lives. They appreciate what they have and express gratitude to those around them. They also see setbacks and challenges as opportunities for growth and are grateful for the lessons they learn along the way. Practicing gratitude can help shift your mindset from one of scarcity. Number 7, they give back. Successful people understand the importance of giving back to their community and helping others. They donate their time, money, and resources to charities and causes they believe in. They also mentor and support others working towards their goals and share their knowledge and expertise to help others succeed. So, there you have it, the 7 habits of the most successful people. If you want to achieve success in your own life, try incorporating these habits into your daily routine. Remember, success is not just about talent or luck. It's about habits, discipline, and hard work. Keep working towards your goals and never give up on your dreams. If you've learned something useful from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.